Got some CVTs here. Got a bunch of them sitting on the table, pulleys and stuff over there. Let me see. Get this camera right. Alright. What am I doing this for? I had a customer, not a customer, but a comment on YouTube as how come we put these on these belts. So this is a bad belt, and I'm going to show him how come we tie these up when we take them off and tie them back up when we put them on. I don't know where my wire cutters are. Okay, that is one. That's two. So nothing holding this now. Okay, so what could happen? Well, let's see. You're working with it. Oh, I picked it up. You already saw what happened. Well, see all these things? This is what happened. All these little elements will fall out. Now, if you don't have another belt and you didn't do that, you're going to have to try to put every single one of these elements back in the right way. You're going to have to put everyone in, and they're going to fall off just like that. This is what happens if you don't tie that belt. Well, do you want to go through that? Do you want to put all that stuff in? Not me. If that happened to me, I'm getting another belt. I don't care. So you tie it up. Now you got these bands here. Let's look inside. These bands are all. There's more bands on each side. Steel band. Okay, we got a bunch of these little things here. Trying to get them off without cutting myself. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Now this is just one side. These bands, and each band is smaller than the other, so they can fit in between. Here's the side I didn't take loose. This here has all of these bands. This is one side, and this is the other side. If I take these loose, it'll be just as many as you see here. Okay, so this is why we always use a tie strap. Keep these bands against these elements here, so you won't run into this. You end up buying a belt for $300 or a used one or a new one for $600-700. Alright. So keep the tie straps on.